guys, today I will teach you how to create Pinterest graphic. Okay, so if you're into Pinterest marketing, you have to know that graphics is very important in Pinterest. Okay, so I'll show you here. Here is my Pinterest account, and you can see here, these are the Pinterest pins. Okay, so if you notice anything, the pins here are usually vertical. Okay, these are long pins. Okay, these are the pins that do well on Pinterest. Okay, these are long pins. If you can see here, this short pin, it looks ugly. Okay, short pins like this does not look good. Okay, so the pins that you want are long pins like this. Okay, 50 genius mom business ideas. Okay, because they are very eye catching. Okay, and also if you notice anything, um pins, okay, are used to, there's a lot of color pink. Okay, it's because most users of Pinterest are women. Okay, and they like the color pink here on Pinterest. Okay, and if you notice the pins, they're very feminine in style. Okay, you can see here very feminine photos. Okay, color pink, lots of cursive and pink, and lots of pictures of flowers and pink notebooks. Okay, so that is the style of Pinterest pins. Okay, so now let's go back to Canva, and you can see here there's a template for Pinterest graphic. Okay, so if you can see here the size, it's 735 pixels by 1102 pixels. Okay, so we will not be using that size. Okay, I will show you why. So let's just click this Pinterest graphic template. Okay, and as you can see here, there are many different templates. Okay, so let's just choose one. Okay, so here's an example of a Pinterest graphic template, and I will show you why it's not advisable to use this size. Okay, so let's go here to my Pinterest account, and you can see here that this one, okay, which is the same as this one, okay, it looks short. Okay, it does not look that good because it's short. Okay, it's a short pin. It's better to have like this, how to make squeeze pages using templates. This is a long pin. Okay, this is ideal for Pinterest because it is better to have long pins on Pinterest because it's much more noticeable. Okay, because short pins, small pins, they get ignored. Okay, pins have to be vertical. Okay, so um, I advise you that this is the size for Pinterest graphic dimensions. Okay, so I'll just show you the size. It's 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Okay, this is my recommended size for Pinterest graphic so that you will have a long pin. Okay, 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Alright, so as you can see here in Canva, that is not the size of Pinterest graphic. Okay, so we will be using custom dimensions. Okay, so you can see here, create a design. Okay, just click create a design, and then you can see here on the upper right corner there is use custom dimensions. So just click that. Okay, and then the size is 441 by 1199. So let's type that 441, and the height is 1199, and then click design. Okay, so this is going to be a custom dimension. All right, before we proceed, we need to get some free feminine styled stock photos. Okay, because remember, the users in Pinterest, they like feminine photos. So let's just go get some feminine styled stock photos. Okay, so don't worry, these are free. Okay, so first let's go to Google and type free feminine styled stock photos. Okay, and you will see here the article by Twins Mommy, 18 places for free girly and styled stock photos. Okay, so just click that. Okay, this is the article by Twins Mommy. Okay, and then scroll down, and these are her recommendations for free feminine styled stock photos. Okay, so here we have Hotte stock. Okay, so here we have Rikita Nicole, but this one is not working anymore, so let's just skip here to Hotte stock. Okay, so let's click here the link. Okay, let's go to the Hotte stock website to get our free photos, and then click here get a free sample. Okay, and then there will be a pop-up, and then put your email, and then click given to me. Okay, so now let's go to our email. Okay, and let's see the okay, so here you can see the email by Hotte Chocolate, and just open that, and then just click this, yes, subscribe me to the list, and then you will be redirected to the photos. Okay, so now here are the photos. Click to download your free images. Just download this. Okay, these are the stock photos, free stock photos. Just download this. Okay, so now you can try the other recommendations. Okay, Wonderfell is also good. Okay, so now let's go to Wonderfell website. So just click here and sign up for her list to access the 10 free photos. Okay, so let's, and also we also like Boss Latina. Okay, I tried it. It's nice photos. And Wonderlast. Okay, so let's go again to Wonderlast. Okay, so let's just sign up for the to get the free feminine stud stock photos. Okay, just click this, get the photos, and then put your name, then put your email. Okay, click download now. Okay, and then let's go to the Wonderlast website. Okay, and again sign up for the free photos. Just scroll down and then click this, grab your free stock photos. Okay, just put your email again, and then click hand over the photos. Okay, just wait for that. Okay, so now let's go to our email, and you will see here there's the email. Here are your free stock photos. Click download now. Okay, so just repeat that for the rest of the list here. Okay, Twins Mommy, there's 18 places for girly and styled stock photos. Okay, there's just repeat that, and you can see here these are the stock photos that I downloaded. Okay, you can see in Pinterest there are a lot of pins with this style. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.